Okay, we are here with Hope's babies, and I hit start before I was organized, so forgive me for my tardiness. Okay, one in here and the other three out here. Well, we'll start with this guy. This is little red is Clive. So here's Clive. Hi, buddy. Okay. And he is 373. Okay, dude. I don't have any more room. Give me 1 second. You can look at cute kitties while I'm marking their names down. Okay, who's this one? Hi, baby. Oh, that's our little girl. This is Candace. Yes? Yeah. There's Candace. Hi, sweetie. 359. Okay. And there's our little wandering man. This is Cyrus. Cyrus. Okay, buddy. 342. And Cruz is last but not least. Hi, cutie. Let me fix this. Come here, Cruz. You big boy, you. There he is. There's Cruz. Okay. And he's 454. Okay. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Okay. So Candace went from 358 to 359. She only gained 1. But that's okay because the day before she had a big gain. Clive went from 356 to 373. So 17. Cruz 471 to 454. So Cruz lost a bunch of weight. But I didn't see any diarrhea bud or anything from him. But he did have a big gain the day before. So I'm not too worried about it. And then Cyrus, 339 to 342. So he gained 3. But look, these guys are using the litter box. Doing so well. I see a little bit of a poop on there, but that looks kind of like a Klingon. Or maybe just litter. But they're doing good, so I'm happy about that. Anyways, right, babies? Let me see you. Let me see you, beast. Let me see you, beastie. Yeah, no, he's fine. Okay, on that note, I'll say goodbye. It's been a busy day for us. He likes laying in there. Cruz, you cute boy. You cute boy. He likes laying in there. Anyways, on that note, I will say goodbye. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.